Union Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav inspected Ahmedabad's railway station redevelopment project and the Bullet Train, National High-Speed Rail project, today. He reported 360 kilometers of the project completed, with nearly 2 kilometers of undersea tunnel underway in Maharashtra. Efforts to address permission issues during Uddhav Thackeray's tenure are underway. The project receives a significant budget allocation this year, around 17,155 crore rupees, more than 29 times higher than during the UPA government. Electrification is 97% complete, targeting March for full completion. Vaishnav highlighted unique local construction features and components made in India, underscoring local manufacturing and expertise.